Hello guys, in this video I will keep introducing you use the half automatic mode, which is AB point mode, to do the agriculture spray operation. So sometimes the field is not regular. We need this track to be longer, that track to be shortened, which is fine. We can use the AB point mode to satisfy it. In this video I will address you how to use the AB point mode if we want to shorten the certain line. How can we do it? Let's get started. So on the remote controller, you can see the real-time position of the drone. And now in next track we want to shorten. So what we're going to do is we will push the drone to make it moving forward. When the drone starts to fly, we push it forward. The drone will reduce the flying speed to about 2 meters per second, and then when we release the stick, if we release it, the drone will switch to the next track automatically. And you can see on the screen all the other track is already changed. That's for the shorten operation. And in next track the drone will repeating using the shorten track.